we'll start with the meditation, like what is a meditation, what are the different different mind model, what are the brain waves, simple understanding of brain waves, and how the different types of meditations help our mind to go deeper into the phases of consciousness, or there is an altered state of consciousness. There are a few words which I'll share it with you. Uh, Meditation is a practice of increased concentration that will lead to an increased awareness.
Mhm.
Meditation is a way to detoxify. Meditation is a method to detoxify the mind.
Es ist eine Methode, den Verstand zu reinigen.
Meditation is a way to detoxify the mind from what? From what is? From the sensory overload. Too much thinking.
So, das ist genau das, was wir gestern gesprochen haben. Also Meditation ist ein Weg, den Verstand zu reinigen von sensorischen Überladungen. Sensorischen Überladungen sind die Sinne.
So sensory overload
die
means
Überladungen, die wir
sensory overload is all the information which our senses will receive.
all die Information, die wir über unsere Sinne ständig kriegen. Also nochmal, Meditation, I love this definition. Meditation ist ein Weg, den Verstand zu reinigen von Sinnesüberladung.
So not only that, but also sensory bombardment.
Und von Sinnesbombardement.
One, sensory overload. Second, sensory bombardment. Somebody else giving you too many information. Your mind is telling some information. Somebody else also giving you too many thoughts, this and that, and all that is sensory bombardment.
Ja, das sensorische Bombardement ist, du selber denkst, du kriegst ununterbrochen Informationen von außen, vom Fernsehen, von allem Möglichen. Das ist das sensorische Bombardement, das Beschossenwerden.
And third one is multitude daily distractions in our life. Every day, all the distraction, anything, distraction of your work, family, relationship, finance, career, anything, all those things put together, multiple daily distractions, sensory overload, and sensory bombardment. If you are making the mind detoxify this, then that is meditation.
Das Gleiche, was noch gereinigt wird, sind die multiplen, was war das jetzt nochmal?
Multiple distractions.
Multitude daily distractions.
Die täglichen massenweisen Ablenkungen, ja? Also, wie wird es weitergehen? Wie werde ich mein Geld verdienen?
So, see how interesting it is. Detoxify the mind. For what? To achieve what?
Ja, wofür solltest du den Verstand reinigen? Warum? Wofür?
To achieve the clear thinking.
Was zu erreichen? Die Antwort ist klares Denken.
Is it interesting?
Yeah, very interesting.
So clear